How to change language in Google Maps. If you're having trouble understanding the current language in Google Maps or you just want to switch it up, I'll walk you through the steps to change it. If this guide is helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. So to get started, the first thing that you have to remember is that in your iOS or iPhone, Google Maps is only following the system's language. So you're going to have to set your iPhone language to whichever language you prefer, or we can also override it. So what you're going to do first is you're going to click on the settings app. So you're just going to open settings on your iPhone. And then from here, you're going to scroll down until you find the apps section. You're going to click on that. And then from the list of apps that will appear, you're just going to scroll down until you find the Google Maps. So you're going to click on Google Maps. And then under here, you can see this preferred language section. So what you're going to do is you're just going to select the language from there. And then you're going to set it to a language that you want. So you have your suggested language, but you also just can scroll down right here until you find the language that you prefer. So we're just going to set it to a language that we want. So for example, I want to set it to Korean, let's say. I can just check on it and then you're going to go back. And then from there, we're going to just reset the Google Maps app. I'm going to head back to Google Maps once again. And then as you can see here, Google Maps has been set to Korean. And that's it. That is how you're going to change language in Google Maps. If this video helped you or if you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.